Hello guys, in this video we are going to take a look at new module stock rotation or product movements reports. So first of all need to install app, go to the apps and install the app. Here you can see our app stock rotation or product movements report. This is the index file of this app. Now I am telling you what is the use of this module. This module allows you to print a stock rotation report in PDF or Excel, and it will also give you the all movements of products between given period. So now I am showing you the functionality of this module. So go to the inventory menu and here go to the reporting menu, and here you can see the stock rotation report menu. If you can click on stock rotation report menu, then open the wizard for stock rotation report. Here you can add starting date and end date. Here you can select start date 1st April and you can select 28/9. Here you can see the three filters are there. First is include all warehouse, second is include all categories, third is include all products. If you can uncheck the all warehouses, then you can add warehouse manually here like this. If you can uncheck the include all categories, then you can add manually category like this. And if you can include all product unchecked, then you can add product manually like this. If you can check these three filters, then remove manually functionality from here. This is the all fields of this wizard. So now download the report. Here you can see the downloaded report of our rotation 1st April to 28th September. Here you can see the all detail of products and stocks. Here product ID, product name, internal reference, cost price, sales price, opening, incoming, outgoing, internal, purchase count, last purchase date, sell count, last sell date and ending date. This is all the details of our stock rotation. This is all about our module. If you can notify about our new video, then subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.